This is my mini vacuum cleaner. Small, compact, easy to use, lightweight, and there's some brush underneath this to get the dust properly. It's a good feature actually. Here is the power on button. That's the motor working. Let me show you the inside. Runs on 2 AA batteries. Actually, I'm not using alkaline battery. I'm using nickel metal hydride battery. It's rechargeable because this one really sucks the charge very fast. So it's a energy hungry device. So I advise you people to use nickel metal hydride. It's rechargeable, so it's very economical. That's why I'm using nickel metal hydride. And it's quite powerful too. This tool is powerful than other small vacuum cleaners I have seen. This one cleans better. Let me show you a demo. Some paper pieces. It's clean. It's efficient, small, and it's powerful to some extent. Yeah. I mainly use this to clean my laptop, then my table or small dust particles can be cleaned up by this one, using this one. It's good. It cost me around $400. I bought this in eBay a year ago and it still works perfectly. It's Chinese product, obviously. And there is a button. Press this and remove the bottom. You can actually remove the dust particle from inside. You can see the dust particle. You can remove it and push it back. Easy. Tanwin, that's a company name. And it's quite cheap and it's powerful.